Right now we are going through the fun but tedious process of picking out the best bike.
The quality of submissions is one of the most impressive things that I noticed. The community, all of you, amazing. The angles, the detail, the colors. I'm looking at some of these designs, they look like they're in 3D, in high def. I mean, it's just awesome. But the components and the thought going into each and every one of these coming in is just phenomenal.
Even though there are many of these bikes that had very cool designs, and I can see the designer put a lot of work into them, they just weren't ultimately our style.
To narrow the choices down has been difficult to say the least.
You know, we've got 10 or 15 bikes up there right now that are going to be difficult to choose from.
Just from an assembly point of view, that would be a nightmare. It'd be really difficult.
Tail right here, where you
And what the top line of the tank is with the white background.
Faded. Imagine every single one of them built, done, and shined up in a showroom, like all side by side.
Very cool stance. You're catching just that little bit of the fender winglet on the back.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
That's the bike that we would have made or should have made if this never even happened. That's a sick bike. That is perfect.
We have a winner.
Give me a hand with this, bro. That is what we're talking about.
That's a champion motorcycle right there. We just picked the winning motorcycle for the DP Customs Local Motors Design Challenge, and it's the DP Martini Racer.
I would love to drive it right now if I had a chance. I'm in love with it. I know Jared's in love with it. You guys are gonna love it. It's awesome.
The bike is so incredible. The reason that I picked it is because it had longevity for me. I was able to look at the motorcycle and study it and study it and study it, and it was simple and flawless. There was literally not one thing that if I had designed it myself that I would have done differently.
The air intake just blew our minds. We're upset we didn't think of that 10 years ago. We should have, but it's just one of those things that really sets the motorcycle off. The wheels, unbelievable. The solid front and rear wheel with the little accent of color just on the edge. Not too much, just right. One of the best views of the motorcycle is the top angle view. If you look at it and follow the stripes down the back of the gas tank, through the upholstery of the seat, and then with the scripting on the fender, it's sick. That is one cool bike.
Congratulations to Andre Costa for an unbelievable design. It's pure perfection in every way, but also congratulations to everybody else who participated in this design challenge. We have so much respect for literally everyone, from the ones that were hand sketched to some of the amazing, 3D and Photoshop work that was done. All of the work and effort that was put in, whether we ultimately picked it or, liked the bike or didn't like the bike, we're just super thankful for everybody that participated, and of course, we're just stoked about the winner.
Well, now that the selection is done, we can't wait to actually build this Martini bike and get it out there and unveil it to all of you so you can check it out for real, from pixels to reality.